How many cats are in my damn car?
One just got out.
One got out. Why are there a bunch of cats in my freaking car?
They're so cute.
You dumb cats.
I want a pet one. Oh, look how cute they are.
That's what happens when you leave the sunscreen open, apparently.
Even just a tad. I want to pet the calico one.
Well, run in there and pet him then. Stupid cat.
I wonder what's going to happen if I open the door. They're going to be like, meow.
I was like, how the hell did cats get in my damn car? They're the little black and white ones. Biff. Stupid cats. I thought somebody was playing a freaking joke on me here. Stupid cats. Let's keep the little black and white one.